Let us continue to learn how to use the T7 LM200C. Press the button to select auto length measurement. According to hint of the red line, press the button to get the distance of hypotenuse, vertical and horizontal lines. The result will be displayed in line accordingly. Press the button to select auto height mode. According to reminding of the red line, press the button to get the distance for first line. Press the button again for second line. Then you can get vertical height displayed in summary line. Press the button to select point-to-point, P2P, measurement. Follow the prompt instruction. Please wait, hold the device still, and wait until the instruction icon disappears. According to the hint of the red line, press the button to get the distance to first laser point. Move the device from the fixed measuring point. Press the button again to get the distance to second laser point. The distance between 2 points is displayed in the summary line. This only about part 2 of all basic usage T7 LM90C 200C. Welcome to leave the comment for us if you have any confused.